video. And today I have come out of the city and come down to a place called Lake Etelen, or Etelen, I can't pronounce properly, but I'll put the name in the description below. Stayed at this amazing, cool place here, which kind of just checked into, but what's behind it is what actually is cool. So you've probably seen on the way down here, just through the kind of hills and the mountains, driving down, there's like 2 volcanoes behind here. There's everything, it's really cool, and it's nice and warm, which also helps. But gonna head out onto the lake in a little bit, where the boat is gonna take us out, but hopefully trying to do that before 2 o'clock, because it's about 12 o'clock now. And the waves can get pretty big, apparently. So, gonna head out there. Sorry, I just keep walking into different places. Gonna head out there, but also I've got the drone charged up, battery ready to go. I'm gonna send that thing up and hopefully gonna get some amazing views, because honestly, I don't know if I can show you from anywhere around here, but the views here are amazing. Reminds me really of Lake Garda in Italy, so it's really nice. And this cool little place here is so nice. Honestly, the views out the back, you don't want to see my face, you don't want to see anything. I think this is going to be a video full of just beauty shots and everything, because the place is amazing. So just look around here, kind of come down from the mountains. Wow, it's so bright here and sunny. But all of these around here come from all the way up there and then come down. But like I said, on the other side is where the view is. This is a nice hotel, but I think what we'll do is I'll catch up with you in a little bit once I have checked in properly. After another high walk, finally walking down, but this is the view for lunch. And I'm starving, as usual. Is any vlog complete without food? I don't think so. But yeah, obviously on holiday, so I can eat whatever the hell I want. Check this out. The view is on the other side, and hopefully the table should have just as good a view. Right, let's go inside and find out. So quick little interlude. I was here at the hotel, which is obviously here behind me. There's like a little pool there and stuff. And down here at the front, as you can see, is like the lakefront. So what happened was I was over there, which is like kind of a little pontoon bit that sticks out, and I was flying the drone. So I was flying my Spark, my DJI Spark, 100% battery, no issues whatsoever. Launch it, takes it up. I'm gonna put the footage over this so you can see it. Okay, it might not be a very clear footage because obviously the drone's gone. Basically the drone's gone. But I've got some of it recorded on the phone because it does record something on the phone. So I'm gonna try and put that over this, hopefully, so you can see it. But I'm flying the drone, it's at probably like 80% battery. Drone's flying in, back in, trying to get these really cool shots of the hotel and then kind of take it back out to zoom. And as I'm doing it, I'm looking at it and the battery falls out of it. While it's been flying for about 2.5 minutes, the battery falls out of it and the drone just falls straight into the water. So it's right down there. If you can see, kind of, I can maybe zoom in, but do you see where those boats are over there? So there's one there and there's another one just behind here. It's in the middle of those over there somewhere. But yeah, like I said, really weird because the battery just fell out while I was actually flying it. So 80% battery rest, about 85% battery, no issues with it whatsoever. I've been flying it earlier today, changed the battery over. I was thinking, well, maybe I hadn't put the battery in properly, but obviously I had because it was flying for 2.5 minutes, so that doesn't make any sense. Really weird, don't know what's going on. Luckily, and this is something that you guys should kind of take from this. Hopefully you can hear me because I know it's windy. But what you should take from this is I actually bought this on my American Express credit card. Now I wish this was an advert for them and they were paying me, but it's not. When you buy something in your American Express card, within the first 90 days, you have full protection. So if you lose something, damage it, it gets stolen, or it kind of like, anything happens to it, so to speak, in the first 90 days, or you want to return it and the company won't let you return it, they will give you a full refund for it. So like you guys know that I bought this in the US. If you haven't seen it, check the video up there, over there, watch more videos, give me ad revenue so I can fund the drone again. But yeah, it's really windy here. They are, and it wasn't windy when I was doing it, by the way. It was completely fine. This happened about 15 minutes ago. I was gonna jump in. That would have been great for the video, but no way was I gonna do that. So yeah, drone is gone, but luckily I'm going to the US in about 3 days, and I know that the new, I think it's called the Air or something has come out. So for those of you going to say that I did this on purpose, I did not. Yeah, I kind of wanted the Air, so yeah. Look, these things happen, nothing to worry about. I know it's a lot of money, and you know, I work hard for money, so it does hurt me a little bit, but these things happen and I can't do anything about it. So it's pretty cool, but it's not cool. But yeah, poor little red. So anyway, if anybody wants a free drone, come to Guatemala, come to this place, come to this lake, go for a swim. There's a drone in there with a free battery. Yeah. Anyway, this hotel's amazing, so it's pretty cool. I can't let it do anything. So the drone's gone. More footage to come though, with hopefully the new drone. Yeah, on with the rest of this video. Good morning. So yesterday ended quite abruptly because of course the drone fell out of the sky, as you guys know now. But I'm chilling on the room balcony here, which has an amazing view. Just check this out. So you can see part of the hotel here, the gardens, there's the lake, the drone is there somewhere, and that's like the little breakfast area and the pool bit over there on that side. So as I was saying, drone is now gone. I need you guys to let me know in the comments below actually. So I've been looking online since that, and there's the new DJI Mavic Air that's come out. And as I was kind of saying before, that's something that looking at, and I need you to let me know in the comments below. Should I buy that? I'm heading to the US in a couple of days, or when you're seeing this video, I'll probably be heading there the next day. So I need to let me know in the comments. Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Should I buy the Air? Should I buy the Pro? I don't know. But obviously I need to restock on the drone because we like the drone footage. Now, rest of the plan for this video is I'm going to show you a little bit of this hotel because I haven't done that yet because it is amazing. And then heading to a place called Antigua. So that's on the way back to Guatemala City, which is going to then basically end this trip here before I head to the US. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, the other thing was, because I know a lot of you are going to have the questions about this American Express credit card, where obviously you kind of get your money back because of this stuff. I know a lot of you are going to want to know about it, so I'm going to put a link in the description below as well. So click that if you're interested. Like I said, I wish this was a paid ad and they were giving me money, but it's not. I just think it's a really good card for you guys to have. I have mentioned it in a previous video, which if you check up there, I'll put there, which was in regards to miles and getting points and everything. But yeah, click up there and you'll see that. Anyway, show you a bit of this hotel and then head off to Antigua. Okay, here comes a really, really quick hotel tour, hallway. One of a few rooms here. Of course, the balcony. And I just hit a chair. This is the lobby. This is like the dining area with the pool. If you walk out here, this is the view. Check the pool. And there you have it, hotel tour. Beautiful, really nice place. Check it out. I'll put the link in the description for the place. Yeah, off to Antigua. So I don't know if it's the kid in me, but anytime I see something that's potentially worth climbing, I climb up, try and get the best view. As you can see, climbed up from there, down and from the other side. But look at that. And the best part is the view that I see is that. Okay, now to Antigua. Right, now this is an unplanned stop on the way to Antigua, and reason being is because something about Guatemala you should know is that there are a ton of volcanoes all around. I think there's about 4 or 5, I don't know the exact figure, that are actually still active. Most of them are dormant. But something pretty cool has just happened over here, and the tour guide actually says that he doesn't see anything this kind of big as an eruption before. So you might be able to see it a little bit in the distance over there. But let me zoom in and give you a shot of what's going on over there. So check that out. That is actually, if I move to the right a little bit, an eruption on one of the volcanoes. Now we're going to try and get a little bit closer because the place in Antigua where this happens is a little bit closer to that. So that is pretty cool. But yeah, like I said, let's go to Antigua now. So finally arrived in Antigua, and here at beautiful, beautiful place. All these cobble streets, the sun is in my eyes, but colourful buildings everywhere. I'm going to do slow-mo bits of everything. Just going to see main bits I'll tell you is one is this arch, which is really important. You can see here in the city, it's like a massive colonial place, so everything's like old style. Even the McDonald's and the Domino's and everything are all in these old style buildings. So it's really nice. But all of the streets are cobbled. No big buses are allowed in, only cars. And like I said, I'll show you the arch, which is just around this corner. And then of course, you know I'm going to go and find some food. So that is the famous arch behind. And as you can see through, the volcano is through that as well. And on this side over here are all the ruins. Basically the city has been hit by many, many earthquakes. And you've got, I think, the last one was about 40 years ago. And a lot of buildings were ruined as well. So you're not allowed to build more than like 2 stories here as well. Check it out, these are streets. These are like the ruins on this side as well. So that's it guys, I'm back at the Intercontinental now in Guatemala City. I'm actually going to be here for about 3 days. It's going to be totally chill, so I'm not doing anything. I hope you enjoyed that video. I told you next stop is Dallas, and then Austin, and also San Antonio as well, over the next couple of weeks. So when you're seeing this video, I think the next day I will be going to Dallas. But yeah, like I said, just chilling here for a little bit. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was interesting. Hope it was informative. And if you want more videos like this as well, please let me know in the comments. If you don't like this, also tell me as well, and I'll stop doing them. But it seems like you guys like them. I know they don't get as many views as the other stuff, but hey, I don't care. It's not just about views. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and do all the other bits, and I will see you in Texas. Bye.